So we have Jamie today, right? So thank you for being with us today and for sharing this testimonial to basically run through exactly what you just accomplished for yourself, which is you're getting leads and you're getting book calls, which is amazing. Absolutely incredible, right? Tell me more about that. How are you feeling with the whole process on that? Like, yeah, explain to me more about that win.
Yeah, really, really happy about it. I had issues with getting the Facebook ads going in the first place just because it was around weight and stuff around that. So I had a
Mm.
lot of issues getting the right wording for it to be approved. But once I was able to do that, I was able to start running ads and yeah, just getting some ads working, putting the money in, so we're getting more leads. And I think it was like maybe 27 leads last week, 29. Majority leaving numbers, 3 booked calls
Three book
from that
calls.
as well.
Crazy.
Yeah, and all going well, and just trying like a couple of different ads as well, and it's going even better this week actually. So I got 9 leads yesterday, and I think I'm at 8 leads today so far.
Oh wow. Wow, you are on a roll. That is incredible. That is incredible, Damien. Cool. I mean, yeah, explain to me then, where were you before joining COA and where you're at now then?
Mhm.
How's that gone for you? Like,
Yeah, so I wasn't coaching anyone before I started COA. I like just I just came up with my product. Um, I was aware of COA, and I spoke to Tina like last year, and I was just getting that clarity on what I really wanted to do. And then I got that clarity, and I spoke to Tina, and I was like straight up. I already had someone that was able to beta test with it, but just from doing at the very first bits of COA, I had someone. I did a advert on. It wasn't an advert, not a paid advert. It was just on a local vegan group, and I just said I'm looking for people to test my program,
mm,
and I wasn't asking much. I didn't have that confidence to ask much, and then after just doing like first few videos with Ed and about charging, it's like I tripled, no, yeah, more than tripled, even quadrupled the price when the woman asked me how
mm.
much. And so I was just thinking, oh, I'm only going to ask like 120 quid, and then I just thought I'm going to give it a go. I'm going to give it a go, and I said 333, and she was like, "Yeah." I was like, "Oh." Yeah. I remember that feeling. That felt amazing, just to have that, like someone just like sign up straight away.
Yeah. Oh,
So
incredible, dude.
that's been it's really like built up my confidence that now I really know the value in my product as well.
Amazing, dude. Amazing. And in terms of the process within COA, what have you enjoyed the most? Has it been I don't know, developing the ads, the closer process, the support we provide you? What you enjoyed the most?
It sounds probably strange, probably writing the HVG. Um, just because it was that putting my knowledge out on, on a document, and I actually found that really easy to do. I, I
Mm,
I put that together so quick, and it was really hard just to have 7 problems. I could have written 99 problems, but someone else does that. So yeah, I really enjoyed that. The ads, I'll be honest, were a pain, but I'm super happy we got there. The support on Facebook, um, that was needed so much. There's no way I've been able to get an ad running without the support on Facebook. So
mm.
everyone was like, "Oh, try this, then try this, then try this," and then the moment we got it working using lots of different words for weight, it's like,
Yes.
okay, now I've got an ad or the text that I know I can use consistently, and that was the big thing.
Amazing. For you, Jamie, look, if what would you tell someone, right, if they were thinking about joining COA?
Don't think, do.
Don't think, dude. Amazing, man. Amazing. So, look, Jamie, thank you so much for today. It's great to be a part of this journey with you for sure. And yeah, look, definitely many good things to come. We're going to keep on working. Obviously, these leads coming in, getting more booked calls, closing more people for sure. I'm excited, man. I'm really excited for the rest of the journey to come. Okay, so thank you again for joining me today.
You're
Let's go
welcome.
crush it. Let's go crush
Yeah.
it. Amazing, man. Amazing.